and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. I'm going to make some pockets today for the spring journal, and I'm going to just make a couple. I have these papers here, and I think I'm going to use this piece. I've done 2 of the pages to a page, and then I've taken some roses from the wallpapers of Ruby and Pearl, and I'm tempted with this one here to use that, but I also like that, but I don't know. I like that. I like that. I might just do that one. I think I might do that one, thinking about it. Anyway, to start off with, you need to, well, it's up to you how you do it. I'm going to tear the pages down, and I will use, let's go in a bit, I will use these on tags and things in the journal that I make. Use them as bases. It's such a lovely kit from Tailor Made Journals, this dusky rose. I really love it, and it's versatile as well. Let's go that way. Actually, no. Okay, I've got these 2. Now, I've also got the book covers from Ruby and Pearl. Now, I got this idea from Rosehill Paper Cottage. I was inspired by her and what she did, and thought it would be quite nice for my spring journal. Now, I love this one, but I need another one to go with those ones. Okay, I'm going to go with these 2, I think. Yeah, I haven't that the pocket will be as wide as this. Now, excuse me, the other thing is some brown paper, which I have here, and I want to put this onto here, and I will tear this one down here for that. Now the question is, do it this way round. Always tear more off if you need to. And again, I'm not worried if when I turn it up to make the pocket, there's tears or rips in it. Mind you, I think I might be with this one. I think I'm going to take that off along there. I've had to be careful with the size of these because they're going in a smaller, slightly smaller journal, so I need to be careful how wide they are with the pages. Okay, well, that works out all right on there. Now this one, maybe I'll take a bit off the top as well. Yeah. Okay, now So that's quite straightforward now. And I'm going to ink around these, glue these, not glue these on, ink around these and glue these on. And then I'm going to distress and tear them up a bit. Now I'm going to distress these a bit to just rough them up a bit before I glue it down. And sort of fold it, make it a bit crumply, not too much. So they're both on. Now what I'm going to do is rough up around the edges of the brown paper as well, and even maybe tear some pieces down. This is brown paper's a lot easier to do and manipulate than when you've done the printing on card like I did there. Okay, I just want to ink around, but I think I'm going to glue this down first. Then I'll ink round everything. Right, I'm going to let that dry a little bit and then I can roll it in a bit more. Like that. And then I need to do this one as well. Okay, I now want to glue these down as well. You have to do, it takes a while for me to sort of do all this ruffling up and tearing. I know some people can do it quite quickly. Okay. And then I'm going to just ink around all the edges. Now I need to sort some tags out, and I've got a piece of embossed card. I think I got these from Len's Crafty Life, and I'm just going to stick this onto here. This is going to be quite simple, and this is for this one. Now I have some, this is one of the new sari silks. I'm thinking the paler pink will probably look a bit better. Might go better with that one. Oh, there it is. Now I want to make, this is quite wide sari silk, so I want to make a bow, a fairly large bow. Like that, and then I have these frames I bought a long time ago that I thought I could put in with this as well, something a bit more ornate, I think. What else have we got? Yeah, I think that one. I mean, there's some lovely square ones. I think the ovals always look nice. Yeah, I'm going to go with that one. So that's that pocket. Now some tags for this one. I've decided to go with this image on here for the rose for this one. As you can see, again, I'm using what I've got. So I've just got to get this in the right place. No, go further down. Okay. Oh, I'm pleased with that. Yep. So I need to punch the hole in here again. And ink around it. Now with this one, I didn't think I'd do the bow, but I think this colour for a change, if I can find the end for it. There it is. Right, yes, I feel better with that in there. I've changed my mind and put it through a different way. And then what I've got is these again. I got when I got the frames, all these different little doilies, and yes, that is one. I thought I could put that in there like that. Now there's one other thing I want to do, and that's put some gold around this one. I'll take this out for now while I do it. And I'm using the Inca Gold for this. You can see that around the edge. Anyway, I think that is it. Move everything out of the way. Put that back in. Oops, leave that in. There. Okay, I'm pleased with them. You will be seeing them in my future spring journal that will be coming up hopefully in the next few days. Now, you can tuck them in. Here it is. You can either glue them onto a page like that, or you can clip it so that you can use the back side as well. I'm not sure what I'll do. I might do a bit of both. I finished the video and then changed my mind about this, so decided to change it into a bow. I much preferred it. I think it gave it something else in there then. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll be back with more videos, and you will probably see these in my spring journal that will be coming up hopefully in the next few days. Thanks a lot. Bye.